Hi, welcome back again. So I'm gonna be showing you areas or where you can get free images for your websites. You know, clean images make your website look vibrant, beautiful. Okay, and remember, when you have clean and beautiful images, people tend to look into your website regularly. If your images of your website are not good, people tend to withdraw. So these two areas are the main areas. You've got other free ones as well. This area, Pizza Bay and the Peasants, these are the two ones I use. Okay, so this is where you can get your free and legal images for your business or for your website, especially for your SEO ranking of using images to rank your website. Okay, so it is completely free, but at the same time you see place they say donate. All these people here, these are professionals that have made up their time, go around anywhere to shoot pictures in order to load into this website. So if you are happy with the image, you can easily download the image for free. But if it has touched you and to encourage them to do more, okay, you can give them little dollars. Okay, is pounds is very good. $5, $10, $20, case may be. It encourages them to to do more, and with them, that's why all our websites are looking good. So they are really doing good work for us. So without waste of time, we're gonna show you about Pizza Bay. It's pizzabay.com, okay, and pezzes.com. So let's first of all have a look on Pizza Bay, okay. So this is pizzabay.com. You can see stunning free images, over 1.5 million rare free stock photos and videos shared by a generous community. Okay, anything you want to search here. Okay, let's search here. Maybe dogs. You could see. Maybe you are really working on pet shops, or you are designing pet shops. Okay, or pet accessories. So you can really get something out of here. Let's say okay, dog training. Okay, or you can put the damn dog. So you're gonna bring up so many stuff relating to dogs. You can see here. You see dogs of different kinds. So you can really use all these free images to work on your to work them for your website. You can see here. So if you want any of these, you just click on it, download, okay, and get what you want. But I'm not downloading for this, but anyone you click, okay, let me just show you. You can see here, free download, okay, and then that is it here. And who is it? That's okay, iMage. She has got 120 images, okay. So this is what she does. Make it with Adobe Stock limited time offer. Get 10 free Adobe Stock images. Okay, so you can do it here. You can follow her. So I'm sure there should be a place for you to, if you have something to do, you can help her and donate. I'm sure there should be a place for that. Okay, so this one is for Pizza Bay. Okay, so we'll also show you about that of Pezzers. So this is Pezzers here. Okay, best free stock photos in one place. Okay, so these are the top photographers. Okay, you can see 4.62 views, 4.7, 80.4 million views. Okay, so these are free images here. Okay, let's also search here, maybe house. Okay, so you're gonna view, you can see houses here. If you run mortgage industries, this is where you can get your free images. If you also run property developer or property management, so you can get your free images here. You can see here, you can see. So you can use all these things to design your website. Okay, So now let's just have a look on either one. Okay, let's have a look on here. You can see here Beyamin Melish. Okay, he has got 21 photos. Okay, SEO license. Okay, so here you can see here donate, support this photographer. Okay, you can support him, and you encourage him to do more for us. Okay, so that's it here. So here you can download. At the same time, you can custom size the size you want. You can do it here. You can make it small, or then you download. That's it. Okay, it automatically go to your download page or anywhere you want to save it. So this is the way we can get free images for our website, and also free from any plagiarism or anything that can involve police or whatever. Okay, so thank you for